Now, look at exercise 5, page number 196, section B. First, I'll take up with the questions of u plus minus v, then u into v, and we'll at least start today with the questions of u divided by v. More practice on the third rule we'll do tomorrow. So, page number 196, exercise 5, section B. Question number 2. Read on. Find f dash x for the function fx equals to 50. Is 50 a constant number?
Yes.
So f dash x equals to 0. Over. Okay, we did this in the rule yesterday. Without the definition, if you solve it, then change in y due to change in x, dy by dx or f dash x of a constant number is always 0. Is everyone clear with that? Now put your pens down. Question number 11. Okay, question 3 you can write along with me. Take out your pens again. If y equals to a raised to n and a is a constant number, then again dy by dx is 0. Okay, since a is constant. Don't write n raised to n minus 1. That is to be done if it's variable x. For constant number let us say 5 raised to anything, 5 raised to 3, 4, 5 anything. But finally it will be a constant number. So 0. Understood this? Now put your pens down. Question 11. Understand the actual concept and then we will be skipping the 2 steps because actual concepts makes it more complicated to understand. So f dash x is to be obtained if fx is equal to 7x square minus 6x plus 5. Now what is the actual concept? Understand it? Suppose this is u, this is v, this is w. First rule is to be applied. Can I say the function y equals to u minus v plus w? Can I say y or fx equals to, y and fx both are same. It is equal to u minus v plus w. Now dy by dx, which is also called f dash x. In place of y, can I write 7x square minus 6x plus 5? D upon dx as it is. In place of y. 7x square minus 6x plus 5. Raise your hand who did not understand this. Now, we studied that dy by dx equals to du by dx plus minus dv by dx. In this question, can I say du by dx minus dv by dx plus dw by dx? In this question, applying the same rule, can I say du by dx minus dv by dx plus dw by dx? Any doubt in this? Du by dx means d of 7x square by dx. What is u? Minus dv by dx means d of 6x by dx plus dw by dx means d of 5 by dx. Any confusion in this? Now, this we will apply the rule nx raised to n minus 1. As we studied without the definition, x raised to n dy by dx is nx raised to n minus 1. 7 remains as it is. X raised to 2, what is n? x and n2 minus 1 minus 6 into, what is the power n? 1, x raised to power 1 minus 1, n minus 1, and constant numbers derivative is 0. Once again, 7 as it is, x raised to 2, n2, x raised to n2 minus 1. 6 remains as it is, n is 1, x raised to n1 minus 1, and constant numbers dy by dx is 0. Any confusion so far? Now 7 into 2, 14x. 2 minus 1, 1. So do I need to write 1? Only 14x minus 6 into 1, 6. What is 1 minus 1?
0.
Anything raised to 0? 1. So finally 6 will only remain. And do I need to write 0? Okay. Now, next question onwards. This is the concept in detail, applying the rule of u plus minus v. Next question onwards. This 3 steps will not be writing. Okay? These 3 steps will not be writing. What we will do is, listen carefully. 7 into 2,
14.
x, 2 minus 1, directly 14x. 6 into 1,
6.
x, 1 minus 1,
0.
and anything raised to 0,
1.
and constant directly 0. We'll be directly writing the last step. Did everyone understand this? Once again, 7 into 2, 14, x, 2 minus 1, 1. 6 into 1, 6, x raised to 1 minus 1, 0. So 6x will become 6. 10x will become 10. 20x will become 20. Half x will become half. If x is there, simply x will get cancelled. And a constant number will become 0. Understood this portion, everyone? So this is the actual concept, which is not required to be shown in detail. First question you show it. How we apply the rule of u plus minus v. Raise your hand who is not clear with this u plus minus v rule, but we will not be applying the rule of u plus minus v. Okay? First question, then only you write in detail. Other questions will not be writing this in detail. Directly final answer. In between 3 steps are not required to be shown. As I said, in between steps make it more complicated. Actual rule makes it more complicated. Simple concept to be applied. Anyone who did not understand this, raise your hand. One more question I'll explain you, then I'll be asking you the rest. Okay? Who are writing it still? So look at question 12 now. How will we directly do it? Find dy by dx if write down y equals to 6x cube plus 7 by 2 x square plus 6 by 5 x minus 8. Now be attentive. How to do this? And now dy by dx equals to d by dx of, in place of y, you'll write 6x cube plus 7x square by 2 plus 6x by 5 minus 8. Raise your hand who is not clear with it. Next question onwards I'll be asking, so if you're not clear, get it clarified. Anyone still writing up till here, raise your hand. Now listen carefully. 6 into 3, 18. X, 3 minus 1, 2. Any doubt in this? Raise your hand who did not understand 18x square. Plus 7 into 2, 14. X raised to 2 minus 1, 1. So do I need to write that? Upon 2. Then here I discussed 6x, 6. 3x, 3. Half x, half. 6 by 5x, simply 6 by 5. Because power will become 1 minus 1, 0. Anything raised to 0 is 1. And constant number, 0. So you need not write it. Is everyone clear with this? Now this can be simplified one more step. So 18x square plus 7x plus 6 by 5. That's it. Did everyone understand it? So with the rule it's more complicated. Without the rule it's more simple. Okay. Section C, page 197. Question 15. Read. Find the derivative of y equals to 4x square plus 4x plus 8. And one more question is asked. Find the derivative of y means dy by dx. Then one more question is asked. For which value of x will and like derivative be 0? One more question is asked. That is, for which value of x dy by dx would come 0. But for that first we need to find dy by dx. Okay, so Darshan. dy by dx equals to
d upon dx
d upon dx
4x square plus 4x plus 8.
4x square plus 4x plus 8. Is everyone clear with this? Then this side 4 into 2 8x, 2 minus 1 1, so simply x.
Plus 4.
4x simply becomes 4 and 8 becomes 0. Is everyone clear with this? Now one more question as this. For which value of x derivative will be 0? Means dy by dx is equal to 0. Simplifying that we wrote in the value of x. What is dy by dx we got? 8x plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, so simplifying this we need to get the value of x. Put in the next step. 8x equals to minus 4. 4 will come on the right side. So minus 4. Put in the next step. X will be minus 4 upon 8. That is minus 1 upon 2. Did everyone understand this? So let us look at this. For x equals to minus 1 by 2. Yes, what is going on? Thus for x equals to minus 1 by 2, comma, the derivative will be 0. Is everyone clear with it? Now question number 16 be attended. If fx is equal to, whenever they say fx means you always write y in the beginning so that confusion doesn't arise. So y equals to fx equals to x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 7. Then prove that f dash 2 is equal to 35. We have to simplify it and our answer must come 35. First of all, f dash x means we have to find dy by dx. Ishan? d by dx x cube plus 5x square plus 3x plus 7. In place of y, we'll put the whole function. Next. And x raised to n minus 1.
x square
3x square. What is n? 3. X raised to 3 minus 1, 2. Did everyone understand this? Further?
5 plus 10
5 into 2, 10.
x
X raised to 2 minus 1 is only x. Next.
plus 3
Yes, 3x simply becomes 3. And 7 becomes 0. Any confusion in this? Now what is asked? F dash 2. Wherever there is x, we have to substitute 2. Nandini? 3 into 2
whole square
square plus
10 into 2
10 into 2
plus 3
plus 3. Wherever there is x, we will put 2. What is 2 cube? Sorry, 2 square? 4. 10 into 2, 20. 12 plus 20 plus 3. Do you get 35 or not?
Yes.
So it was asked, prove that f dash 2 comes to 35. Anyone having any confusion in this? Or are able to understand the first rule, u plus minus v? But that rule will not be applying, we'll be doing it in a simple manner. Question 17. If fx equals to 3x square plus 3, then for which value of x, f dash x will be equal to fx. Like this, we will simplify and get the value of x. But first we need f dash x. I said whatever is given first, write it is equal to y. Okay. So dy by dx will be f dash x. 3x square plus 3. In place of y, we will put 3x square plus 3. That's it. 3 into 2, 6x, 2 minus 1, 1. And constant 3 becomes 0. All are clear with this? Now you are asked, f dash x equals to fx. You will find for which value of x this happens. F dash x equals to fx. What is f dash x?
6x.
So in place of f dash x, 6x. Any doubt in this? What is fx? 3x square plus 3. Any confusions? Bring 6x on the right side, it becomes minus. So 0 equals to 3x square minus 6x plus 3. Any doubt in this? Dividing. Can we divide all of them by 3? Dividing both the sides by 3, we get, so I am writing the right side on the left and left on the right. What is 3x square divided by 3? X square. Minus 6x divided by 3, minus 2x, plus 3 divided by 3, 1, equals to 0 divided by 3, 0. Any confusion on this? Now can you see that this is a square minus 2ab plus b square? Can I say it is x minus 1 whole square? Directly instead of doing the factorization. Okay, because what would be x minus 1 whole square? A square x square minus 2ab, 2 into x into 1? 2x plus b square 1 square. So can I write x square minus 2x plus 1 as x minus 1 whole square? Otherwise you can do the factorization splitting it and you'll get the same thing, x minus 1, x minus 1. Which is x minus 1 whole square. If x minus 1 whole square is 0, means x minus 1 is also 0. Bring minus 1 on the right side. Plus 1. Any confusion in this? Page 197, exercise 5, section D. Look at question 4. First 3 were given in homework. First was done in class, second and third was given in homework. Look at question 4. Y equals to x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 80. Now for which value of x, dy by dx will be equal to minus 6. But first we need to find dy by dx. So Dhruv, dy upon dx, okay, equals to f dash x, d upon dx. In place of y we will write x cube minus 3x square minus 3x minus plus 80. Further 3x square, 3x 3 minus 1 2 minus 3 into 2 6x, 2 minus 1 1 minus 3x simply becomes 3 and 80 becomes 0. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes.
Now, so now it is asked to you, for which value of x dy by dx equals to minus 6. So Dia, dy by dx or f of x equals to minus 6. Then you are asked for which value of x dy by dx is minus 6. Next. 3x square minus 6x minus 3 equals to minus 6. Brunda, next step. Yes, did everyone understand this? 3x square minus 6x minus 3 minus 6 on the left side becomes plus. 3x square minus 6x minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. Minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. Is it exactly same as the last one or not? First you divide by 3. Dividing both the sides by 3. We get 3x square divided by 3 x square minus 6x divided by 3 minus 2x plus 3 divided by 3 1. And what is this x square minus 2x plus 1? X minus 1 whole square. So x minus 1 is 0. So x is. Now in this u plus minus v rule, I'll be taking one illustration in the class because that is a complicated one, and you'll repeat that in homework also. Illustration 8, page number 174. Dear reader, find dy by dx for y equals to x cube plus root x minus 4 by x plus 1 upon cube root of x plus 1 by 4. Now listen everyone, whenever such a question comes, always first simplify it and bring all the x in the numerator. All the x should come in numerator, then only apply dy by dx formula. Once again, all the x should come in the numerator, then only apply dy by dx formula. Okay? So, can I say x cube plus root x, can I write x raised to 1 by 2? Now, if you bring this x in the numerator, then power 1 will become minus 1. So, can I write it as 4x raised to minus 1? Raise your hand who did not understand this. Denominator x, if you bring in the numerator, the power will, the sign of the power will change. Same way, 1. First of all, cube root of 3 means raised to 1 by 3. If you bring it in the numerator, minus 1 by 3. Cube root means the power is 1 by 3. If you bring in the numerator, it becomes minus 1 by 3. Raise your hand who did not understand this. And 1 by 4 as it is. Now we will do dy by dx. D upon dx of x cube minus x raised to 1 by 2 minus 4x raised to minus 1 plus x raised to minus 1 by 3 and plus 1 by 4. Okay, first sign is plus. Anyone having any doubt in this? Now x cube becomes 3x square, 3x, 3 minus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 x raised to, write 1 by 2 minus 1. See 3 minus 1 we can directly do it 2. But here it's LCM, so write the whole step. N minus 1. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. Any doubt in this? Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4. X raised to minus 1 minus 1. N minus 1. So minus 1 minus 1. Any confusion in this? Plus 1 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 1 into minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. X raised to minus 1 by 3 minus 1. N minus 1, so minus 1 by 3 minus 1. Any confusion in this? And 1 by 4 becomes 0, so I need not write that. Raise your hand who is not clear with any of the term here, then I will proceed further. This one? n is 1 by 2 into x raised to, again n is 1 by 2 minus 1. Nx raised to n minus 1. This are clear? Or should I explain it again? Anyone who wants to explain this again, raise your hand without any hesitation. Minus 4 into minus 1 plus 4 x raised to n is minus 1 minus 1 n minus 1, the power is n minus 1, so minus 1 minus 1. Now here n is minus 1 by 3, x raised to n is minus 1 by 3 minus 1 and x raised to n minus 1. Did everyone understand this? And last 1 by 4 becomes 0. Now simplify 3x square plus 1 by 2 into x raised to, now be attentive. If you cross multiply this, what is 1 into 2? What is 1 minus 2? Minus 1 by 2. Understood this? Plus 4x minus 1 minus 2. Sorry, minus 1 becomes minus 2. Understood this? And minus 1 by 3 x. Now again cross multiply. 1 into 3? 3. Minus 1 minus 3? Minus 4 by 3. Raise your hand who is not clear with any of them. Any of the terms who is not clear, raise your hand. Now, again the negative powers, bring it in the denominator. So 3x square plus 1 upon 2. Can I write it as, okay, write it as x raised to 1 by 2 only. In textbook they are not making it root. And 4 upon x square. Negative powers, again bring it back to the denominator. And minus 1 upon 3x raised to 4 by 3. This is the answer. Did you understand this? Anyone having any doubt in this? Now we take up the rule of multiplication. There is only one question, but we will be doing it in alternative way. First I'll explain you u into v's rule, and we'll be doing it in an alternative manner. So look at page 197, section D, question number 6. Put your pens down and understand it first. No one should be writing it, because the solution I am doing first is not to be written. So be attentive. Y equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 2 into 3x plus 2. So first I explain you the textbook's rule, then we'll do with verbalization. So first of all, this we take it as u, this we take it as v. So here we have applied the second rule of u into v. Now taking u equal to 3x square plus 4x minus 2 and v equal to 3x plus 2. First we find du by dx. So d by dx of 3x square plus 4x minus 2, and we also find dv by dx. So d upon dx of, in place of v, 3x plus 2. Any confusion in this? To apply the rules of u into v and u divided by v, first we need du by dx and dv by dx. 3 into 2, 6. X 2 minus 1, 1. 4x is simply 4. And 3x becomes 3, 2 becomes 0. Any confusion? Now you will say dy by dx. I told you yesterday, first write du by dx, then you write dv by dx. Cross multiply. Du by dx multiply with v. dv by dx multiply with u. If it's multiplication, put the sign of plus. If it's division, put the sign of minus. Whole upon v square. Now, what is v? 3x plus 12 into du by dx 6x plus 4 plus what is u? 3x square plus 4x minus 2 into dv by dx 3. Did you understand this? If anyone is not clear, you understand the alternative. So, v into du by dx, we have just substituted in place of v and du by dx in place of du by dx, in place of u and in place of dv by dx, this one. Now, yes, we are 3x into 6x, 18x square. Then 2 into 6x, 12x. 3x into 4, 12x. And 2 into 4, 8. 3 into 3, 9x square. 4 into 3, 12x minus 2 into 3, minus 6. Is everyone clear up till here? 18x square plus 9x square, 27x square. 12x plus 12x plus 12x, 26x. 8 minus 6, 2. Any confusion in this? This is textbook method. Now, 3x square plus 4x minus 2 into 3x plus 2. Without the rule of u into v. 3x square into 3x, 9x square. 4x into 3x, 12x. Minus 2 into 3x, minus 6x. 3x square into 2, 6x square. 4x into 2, 8x. Minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. I repeat it. 3x square into 3x, 9x square. 4x into 3x, 12x. Minus 2 into 3x, minus 6x. 3x square into 2, 6x square. 4x into 2, 8x. Minus 2 into plus 2, minus 4. 9x square plus 6x square, 15x square. Okay, this will be silence. 3x square plus 3x into 3x will be 9x cube. 4x into 3x will be 12x square. 2 into 3x is 6x. 3x square into 2 is 6x cube. No, 6x square. 4x into 2 is 8x and minus 2 into plus 2 is minus 4. Now 9x cube as it is. 12x square plus 6x square, 18x square, minus 6x plus 8x plus 2x minus 4. Now dy by dx equals to d upon dx of 9x cube plus 18x square plus 2x minus 4. 9 into 3, 27x. 3 minus 1, 2. 18 into 2, 36x. 2 minus 1, 1. 2x simply becomes 2. Did everyone understand this? So no need to apply the rule of u into v. And apply the rule of u plus minus v itself. Is everyone clear with this?
Yes.
Write only the second one. First one is very complicated and time consuming. Easier is simply multiply the two brackets, open it and apply dy by dx. In division, this is u into v. In division, u upon v, there is no notation possible other than the rule. There we have to apply the rule only. All have understood this? It's better than start division tomorrow only. Only one question will be able to do. Homework is illustrations 7, 8, 9, 19 and 20.